Good morning, students. This is the chapter number 6, square and square root. Square. What is the square? If a number is multiplied by itself, the product so obtained is called the square of that number. It means if we multiply 2 by itself, then the product is the square of 2. The product of 4 is the square, perfect square of 2. It means 2 square. When the exponent of a number is 2 and its base is a. Base is a and exponent is 2. Say then it is read as a square and written as a square. Perfect square of natural numbers. 1 is the perfect square of 1, 4 is the perfect square of 2, and 9 is the perfect square of 3, and 16 is the perfect square of 4, and 25 is a perfect square of 5. 5 5 is 25, 4 4 is 16, 3 3 is 9, 2 to the 4, and 1 1 is 1. Now, we have known about what is the square, a number which is multiplied by itself. The product is the square. It's called the square. But what is the property of square number? Square number have some properties described here. Properties of square numbers. First property, a number having 2, 3, 7 or at the unit place is never be a perfect square. It means not a perfect square. Not a perfect square. It is not a perfect square. It means a number having 2, 3, 7 or at the unit place, is never be a perfect square. Second property is the number of zeros at the end of a perfect square is always even. It means 10 is not a perfect square, but 100 is a perfect square of 10. 1000 is not a square, but 10,000 is the square of 100. It means the number of zeros at the end of a perfect square is always even. 1, 2, 3, 4 even number. 1, 2 even number. This is not a perfect square. This is odd number zeros. Odd number zeros. The third, a number ending in an odd number of zeros, it never be a perfect square. For example, it is not a square, perfect square of any number. For the square of an even number is even and that of an odd number is odd. For example, square of 10 equal to 100, it is a even number, square of 11, 121, square of 12 equal to 144, and square of 30 equal to 169, and square of 14 equal to 196. The even number, perfect square is even. Odd number, perfect square is odd. The even number, perfect square is even. Odd number, the perfect square is odd. And the even number, the perfect square is even. So, for the square of an even number is even, and that of an odd number is odd. Yes. The sixth property of square number, sixth is, if n is a perfect square, then 2n can never be a perfect square. It means 4 is a perfect square, but 2 into 4 equal to 8 is not a perfect square. 9 is a perfect square, but 9 to the 18 is not a perfect square. The next point. The next point is, the square of a natural number m is equal to the sum of the first m odd numbers. It means the 2 square equal to 4. It is the sum of first 2 odd numbers. 5 square, 25. It is the sum of first 5 odd number. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 9 and 7, 16. 16 and 5, 21. 20 and 3, 24. 24 and 1, 25. 6 square equal to 36, equal to 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11. This is the sum of first 6 odd number is 36. The sum of first 5 odd number, m equal to 5, m square, then the sum of m odd numbers 25, and the 2 square is the sum of 2 odd numbers. The next, add. A perfect square number is never negative. If we multiply, if you want to find the square of -2 equal to 4, it is not a negative, equal to 100. Always positive. The perfect square is always positive. The ninth, the square of any odd number can be expressed as the sum of 2 consecutive positive integers. It means the 9 square equal to 81. It means it is the sum of 2 consecutive positive integers. 11 square equal to 121 equal to sum of 60 and 61. 2 positive integers. The sum of 2 positive integers. The square of any odd number. This is odd number. The square 81, 121. The expressed as the sum of 2 consecutive positive integers. Consecutive positive integers 40, 41, 60, 61. The sum of the consecutive 2 positive numbers is 121 and 81. Yes. For every natural number n, if a square of n plus 1 minus n square, it means the difference of a square of two consecutive natural number is equal to their sum. Is equal to their sum, it means the 14 square minus 13 square equal to 14 plus 13. The difference of 14 square minus 13 square equal to 27. It means 27 equal to 196 minus 169. The square of 14 is 196 and the square of 13 is 169. The difference is 27. It is the sum of two natural numbers. For any natural number n greater than 1, then the n plus 1 into n minus 1 equal to n square minus 1. It means 10 into 8 equal to 9 square minus 1 equal to 80 equal to 9 plus 1 and 9 minus 1. 12 into 40 equal to 13 square minus 1 equal to 168 equal to 13 minus 1 into 13 plus 1. This is the formula of for any natural number n greater than 1 equal to n plus 1 into n minus 1. If we multiply the n plus 1 and n minus 1 equal to the n square minus 1. Yes. What will be the unit digit of the squares of the following numbers? Answer first equal to 1 is the unit digit of 81. Second, 2 is the unit digit of 272. Third, 9 is the unit digit of 799. The fourth, 3 is the unit digit of 3853. This is unit digit, this is unit digit, this is unit digit, and this is unit digit. Four is the unit digit of 1, 2, 3, 4. Sixth, 7 is the unit digit of 2, 6, 3, 8, 7. This is the question number first. Yes. The question number 2. The following numbers are obviously not perfect square. Give the reason. Question number solution is first 1057 is not a perfect square because unit digit is 7. Second, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3 is not a perfect square because unit digit is 3. Third, 7, 9, 2, 8 is not a perfect square because unit digit is 8. The fourth is 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2 is not a perfect square because the unit digit is 2. Fifth, 6, 4, 0, 0, 0 is not a perfect square because number of zeros is odd. Sixth, 8, 9, 7, 2, 2 is not a perfect square because unit digit is 2. Seventh is 2, 2, 2 and 0, 0, 0 is not a perfect square because number of zeros is odd. And the eighth, 5050 is not a perfect square because number of zeros is odd. This is the question number 2. Question number 3. The square of which of the following would be an odd? We know that the square of odd number is odd and the even number is odd. Then the square of first 431 and third 7779 would be an odd number. Question number 4. Question number 4 is observe the following pattern and find the missing digits. 11 square equal to 121, 101 square equal to 10,201 and the 1,001 square equal to 1 tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, 2,001 and the square of 10,001 equal to and the square of 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the complete.
Okay.